Tnad Pulit na Riboy District mentaka sengi ke Sitrik Risau kila lej ban ai sngewbha ke snam blood center jong ke civil hospital Nongpoh kum si benta ke jing rakhe ke National Voluntary Blood Donation Day bala rakhe ke lengkri India ya kana ke jing lej ai snam la ilam do SP ke Riboy Jakpal Sing Dhanau bat la si benta langru de ki Pulit officer bat ki Pulit constable pan ai ke snam ke bokordor jong ki na ke benta ban pelaj im ya ki men sem bokordor ke por bakidon kam ke snam kerki.
Good afternoon. Today is the National Blood Donation Day, and then our SP sir, Riboy SP sir, has taken the initiative to donate blood today. We have all from our district. We have all come to Civil Hospital Nongpoh to donate blood, and SP sir himself also has donated, and other senior officers. And we are here. Still, some of our staff are still inside. They are donating blood, and I would like to request everyone, including our police personnel, that the blood donation is a noble job, noble cause. This is for to save someone's life is a good thing, and everyone should come forward and donate blood. And we need some awareness amongst us also for this blood donation, because there are apprehensions from our from police side and civilians also that donating blood may harm that person or something like that. So there are people who still fear to donate blood, but I urge everyone that we should come forward and donate blood to save a life. Thank you.